Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to update your relationship status to in an open relationship on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. With the new update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to express your relationship status in a way that fits your lifestyle. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to go to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to navigate to the About section. This is where all your personal info, including your relationship details, is stored. Look for the About tab and give it a click. Next, scroll down or find the section labeled Family and Relationships. This is where Facebook organizes information about your relationship status, family members, and more. Once you're in the Family and Relationships area, you'll see an option to add a relationship status. Click on this to open up several options for your relationship status. From the list, select an open relationship. This option lets your friends know that you are in a relationship that's open, meaning you're free to explore connections with others while maintaining your current partnership. After choosing an open relationship, don't forget to click Save to make sure your new status is updated on your profile. And that's it. Your Facebook profile now reflects your relationship status as in an open relationship. It's a quick and straightforward process that helps you share your lifestyle status with friends and family in just a few clicks. Feel free to explore other sections of your page to keep it up to date with what's important to you. Thanks for watching.